Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at this iPhone 12 Pro. And this is it, and it just says iPhone over here. Only at the back it says iPhone 12 Pro. And guys, as usual, this is very expensive in India. It starts with 128GB variant, that's for 1,20,000, and goes up to 512GB, that's for about 1,50,000. And actually I wanted the regular iPhone 12, but it's simply not available as of now. I'll try to book it when I get it, but this is the 12 Pro, and thanks to Faisal Communications, they just gave me so that I can have a look at it and show it to you guys. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's open this up. And you know that it's a Pro because it has the 3 cameras. It actually technically has 4 cameras. The 4th is here. It's time of flight, the sensor that we have, and you can just take this out, and we have Type-C to a lightning connector, and SIM ejector tool, yes, it's still there, and Apple stickers. Glad they didn't remove even the SIM ejector tool. And that's it in the box. No charger please, we will charge extra for that, and no headphones. That's the new thing. But hey, we can make the box so slim. So that's iPhone. Anyways, let's open this up. And this one has the 6.1 inch OLED screen, and I have to say I'm liking the look of it now. This outer shell is stainless steel, and this resembles the older iPhone 5. I somehow like the look of that one. It's very close to that. So that's what we have. 6.1 inch is not very big. You also have the Max series, the 12 Pro Max, that's even bigger. And again, this is stainless steel, as I've told you. Looks actually very nice. Here we have the volume rocker, pretty flush in fact, and bottom will be your speakers, your lightning connector. Of course, it's stereo speakers. Your SIM tray is over here. Again guys, it will be single SIM nano, and yes, eSIM will also be there if you want that second. Yes, as expected, single SIM, and it starts with 128GB. Here we have the volume rocker. Sorry, this is the power on off button, guys. Volume rocker and your alert slider, whatever, you can do that. Back we have the triple camera setup on this one, and all are actually 12 megapixel. We also have a time of flight Apple logo, and this is the new color. Looks actually between gray and dark blue. It's between that, I would say. But again, this is matte finish, so hopefully, yes, it does not pick up fingerprints that much, so that's actually nice. And let's do one thing. Let's just power it on. I hope it has some charge, and please boot up. Yeah, and by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, here is a configuration overview. This iPhone 12 Pro is having a 6.1 inch OLED screen. It's a HDR10 Dolby Vision screen. It is powered with the new very powerful Apple A14 Bionic chip that's on 5nm process. It's a 6-core processor. It comes in 128, 256 or 512GB of storage. It also has a quad rear camera setup. The main 3 cameras are 12 megapixel. The first one is f1.6 OIS. Then we have a 2x zoom that also has OIS. Then we have a 12 megapixel, that's ultra wide, and we also have a TOF depth sensor. Moving to the front facing camera, it's a 12 megapixel, and it comes with 2815 milliamp hour battery that supports powered LED fast charging, but you have to buy that charger separately. So guys, I've set up this device, so let's have a first look at the same. Again, I have to say I'm liking the in-hand feel of this one because of this look, I would say. I don't know about it. And this is running on iOS, of course, and Face ID as usual. I'm wearing my specs. Then also, as you can see, fast, but again, if you wear a mask, then many times it simply does not work. Anyways, if we go over here and if we go to general, and if we go to about, and out of that 128GB, the available is 114, guys. I haven't installed anything, so this is what you can expect out of the box. So again, be careful regarding the storage. If you think this is not enough for you, then go with the higher end variant, 256. In India, that's about 10,000 rupees more if I recall. Anyways, let's just go back over here. And again, the big thing about this one is the A14 Bionic chip, and it's on 5nm process. It's the fastest mobile chip that you can get as of now. And another thing is that yes, the back is also glass, guys. It's Gorilla Glass, but the front one is a new type of a glass coating that Apple has done, and they call it ceramic shield. Apple always comes with this fancy names, and it's supposed to be actually really tough. And I just about 2 days ago I saw a video by CNET, and they did a drop of about like this, almost 9 feet also. Then also this front screen did not crack, but the back did crack. So again, yes, this is a lot more resistant to cracks, but beware, only the front glass is that new ceramic shield or whatever. The back is the last year's glass, so if you drop it, very high chances the back once glass will break, but the front should actually survive. And also the glass is sort of flush with this one, as you can see, and this is stainless steel. On the regular iPhone 12, I believe that's aluminum, and again, as you can see, pretty responsive. I'm just going to go back to this. And a big deal with the iPhone is that this one is supposed to have improved cameras on this one. So let's actually have a look at the camera. Again, as you can see, the primary camera is that 12 megapixel with f1.6. That means it can gather in a lot more light, has optical image stabilization. Second is actually 2x zoom. This also has OIS. And third is that ultra wide, and this is for that depth and stuff. And this is your flash. So let's just fire up the camera app. Where did it go? It's over here. And I love once. I'm just new quick take video, it says. And this is a regular mode. So this is that ultra wide, and this is the 2x optical zoom. As you can see, let's see if it goes to the portrait mode. Yes, so we have the portrait. Let's see 1x. If I go to the portrait, it always zooms, guys. So that is something that I'm noticing. As you can see, we have 1x, but we go to the portrait, 2x. Oh, you can go back to the 1x. So that's actually nice. And again, we have these lighting effects. These actually work very well on faces. So that's actually nice. And of course, the video will be good. iPhones are known for very good video. And let's look at the front-facing camera. Again, here also that flashlight it's using. You have this portrait lighting effects. As you can see, notice my face, it changes in real time to give you an idea. This is what I like. They do it actually really good using that flash, but I'll have some more samples later on, guys. So anyways, let me actually take some sample shots with this one so that you have a better idea regarding the camera. Hi guys, these are some of the samples taken in completely artificial lighting in my office, and as you can see with the static subjects, the performance is actually really good. This was the wide angle lens, and these are again some more shots that I took, and as you can see the performance is good with this one, and overall I would say in even artificial lighting it does a good job. These were some shots taken in outdoor conditions, and as you can see it did a decent job. Now moving to human subjects, again in artificial lighting, and this was in portrait mode. Portrait mode zoom does a good job, I would say, and this is regular shot, but this is again the portrait mode, and I feel the portrait mode does actually pretty good on this one. And these are some lighting effects. And moving to the front facing camera, I did not like it, and this was in the portrait mode with the lighting effect. So guys, that's it for now for the quick unboxing and first look at this iPhone 12 Pro. Certainly I would say in terms of looks, I'm liking this new look. You could call it the retro look, but I like this. And it feels actually nice in the hand. But again, the iPhone is a very premium product. But what do you guys think of the removal of headphones or even the charger on this one? Because guys, yes, you can use third-party chargers if you have a USB Type-C charger, because this is not USB Type-A, this is a USB Type-C, so you need a USB Type-C, and specifically if you want that fast charging, you need a power delivery charger, so be aware of that. But anyways, what do you guys think about the iPhone 12 Pro? Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Anyways guys, take care, catch you later.